Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's learn English. Today we are going to learn about non-finite verb, which is very important part of grammar. Okay, so let's start. Non-finite verbs. पहले देखते हैं कि non-finite verbs क्या है. Normally there are two types of verb. एक है finite verb and the second one is non-finite verb. Finite verb जो है वो tense follow करता है. ऑलरेडी मैंने मेरे प्रीवियस जो वीडियोस है उसके लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाली है. यू कैन चेक दैट, यू कैन क्लिक ऑन दैट, यू विल गेट द इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट फाइनाइट वर्ब्स कि फाइनाइट वर्ब्स क्या है. ऐसे वर्ब की जो टेंस फॉलो करते हैं. So there are total 3 tenses, 3 main tenses, 12 sub tenses. Okay, तो उसमें जो verb है, जो tenses follow करते हैं, उनको हम बोलेंगे finite verb. Apart from that, there will be some verbs कि जो दिखेंगे verb की तरह, but वो sentence में noun या फिर adjective इसकी तरह action perform करेंगे. तो उनको हम बोलेंगे non-finite verb. So basically, a non-finite verb is a verb form that does not show tenses. Non-finite verb एक ऐसा verb है कि जो tense follow नहीं करता है. Okay. In other words, we can see that you cannot tell if a sentence is in the past tense, present tense, or future tense by looking at a non-finite verb. Therefore, a non-finite verb is never the main verb in a sentence. Means non-finite verb जो है वो sentence में होगा, but वो आपको कभी भी ये indicate नहीं करेगा कि ये sentence past tense में है, present में है या future में है. That means उस sentence में दूसरा एक verb होगा जो main verb होगा and that verb जो दिखता verb की तरह होगा but वो action perform कुछ अलग ही करेगा. Means non-finite verb इनको हम सिर्फ इतना ही बोल सकते हैं. इट इज लाइक इट ड्रेस्ड लाइक अ वर्ब बट परफॉर्म एक्शन डिफरेंटली. ओके, लेट्स सी मोर अबाउट इट. Okay, I hope you understood what is finite and non-finite verb. I repeat, finite verb means ऐसे वाले verb जो tense follow करते हैं. Non-finite verb ऐसे वाले verb कि जो tense follow नहीं करते, जो दिखते verb की तरह है but action कुछ अलग perform करते हैं. Okay, so let's see. Now there are three types of non-finite verbs. Three types के non-finite verbs है. First जो है that is infinitive. Second one is participle. And third one is gerund. There are again two types in participle, present participle and past participle. These are three types of non-finite verbs. Infinitive, participle and gerund. Now let's talk about it. First one is infinitive. क्या है infinitive? Infinitive is a verb कि जो always 2 plus V1 first form of verb इसके फॉर्म में ही आता है. मतलब एक ऐसा verb जो 2 plus फॉर्म में आएगा and which will again act like noun, adjective और adverb की तरह perform करेगा. Means दिखेगा verb की तरह बट परफॉर्म करेगा एक्शन नाउन या एडजेक्टिव या एडवर्ब की तरह. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई वॉन्ट वाटर टू ड्रिंक. आई एम सॉरी टू हियर दिस. आई विल बी हैप्पी टू हेल्प यू. द मैन पेड टू विन. रिया लाइक्स टू डांस. Okay, so if you will observe the first sentence, in first sentence, I want water to drink. Here to drink. Okay, this is non-finite verb. Okay, if we will observe the sentence, then in this sentence want ये जो है this is main verb and apart from main verb we have one more verb. main verb छोड़ के और एक verb है इस sentence में drink जो दिखता main verb की है verb की तरह है but actually this is not the verb क्योंकि ये to plus verb के form में आया है. Okay, so that's why it is infinitive. Again, just have a look on a second sentence. I am sorry to hear this. इस sentence में am ये main verb है. दूसरा एक verb है here. Actually, it looks like a verb, but ये to plus verb की form में आया है. That means it is infinitive. Infinitive, it is very easy to identify. जो भी verb to plus verb इस form में दिखेगा, that will be infinitive. नॉन फाइनाइट वर्ब। ओके, आपने अभी टेंसेस के मेरे वीडियोस देखे होंगे, उस वीडियोस में एक भी जो वर्ब है वो कोई भी वर्ब 2+ वर्ब फॉर्म में नहीं है। ओके, 2+ वर्ब फॉर्म में ओनली इन्फिनेटिव आता है। नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, थर्ड एग्जाम्पल, आई विल बी हैप्पी टू हेल्प यू। ओके, हियर will be, happy, these are the verbs. Okay, will be is helping verb and happy is the main verb. Okay, and help, this is again one more verb कि जो दिखता verb की जैसे है, लगता है verb है, but 2+ verb form में आया है, that's why it is infinitive और वो tense follow बिल्कुल भी नहीं कर रहा है। Next one is the man paid to win. To win, infinitive. Riya likes to dance. To dance, infinitive. So if you will observe all the sentence, in first sentence want is main verb and to drink infinitive. मतलब want is finite verb जो tense follow कर रहा है and to drink is non finite verb. In second sentence am is main verb and to here is non finite verb कि जिसका type है infinitive. In third sentence again will be happy. Okay, so these are what finite verb, happy finite verb and to help non finite verb infinitive. The man paid to win, fourth sentence. In this paid, this is finite verb. Okay, जिसको हम मेन वर्ब भी बोलते हैं, finite verb, and to win is infinitive. And in last sentence likes जो है that is main verb, मतलब ये finite verb है कि जो टेंस फॉलो कर रहा है, एंड टू डांस नॉन फाइनाइट वर्ब कि जो टेंस फॉलो नहीं कर रहा है और वर्ब की तरह परफॉर्म नहीं कर रहा है. ओके, सो दिस इज नॉन फाइनाइट वर्ब एंड इट्स टाइप इज infinitive. So this is what this is all about, infinitive. So in a sentence if you want to identify infinitive, it's very simple. 2+ verb form में जो भी आएगा verb वो होगा infinitive. Now let's move towards our next non-finite verb, participle. Okay, in participle there are two types of participle, present participle and past participle. Okay, so now what is mean by participle? This is the question. So participle, again it looks like a verb, but in a sentence it perform action as an adjective. ठीक है, दिखता verb की तरह है but एडजेक्टिव की तरह एक्शन परफॉर्म करता है. प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल है, वो प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल ऑलवेज आईएनजी के साथ एंड होता है एंड पास्ट पार्टिसिपल जो होता है दैट यूजुअली एंड्स विद ईडी, डी, टी, ईएन और एन, मीन्स एनी पास्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. ओके, लेट्स सी एग्जांपल्स. अ लाफिंग मैन इज स्ट्रॉन्गर देन अ सफरिंग मैन. ओके, here laughing man, laughing actually it's look like a verb, but here in this sentence laughing is giving information about that man, मतलब ये adjective बन गया. So that's why this is present participle. Again we have one more verb, suffering. दिख रहा है verb की तरह but in a sentence a suffering man. Okay, suffering is giving information about that man, means suffering is adjective here, so it looks like adjective but it's look like a verb but perform action as an adjective. तो ये बन गया non finite verb, और as both are in a form of ing it is present participle. Okay, I repeat again, present participle दिखता verb की जैसे है but action perform adjective की तरह करता है. Let's have a look on a second example. The only thing that comes to a sleeping man is dreams. Okay, so now here sleeping. Okay, actually ये दिखता है verb की तरह but here in this sentence it performing action as an adjective. Adjective की तरह perform कर रहा है. Sleeping, sleeping man. Okay, so that's why sleeping is present participle. Next one is, do not waste time staring at a closed door. Okay, in this sentence see closed, a closed door. Closed Actually this is verb, but in this sentence closed door means closed जो word है वो door के बारे में information दे रहा है. That means this is ये adjective की तरह perform कर रहा है. Okay, so this is past participle. See, the difference between present and past participle is present participle ing form में आता है and past participle past form में आता है. Now next one is I like that shining star. Okay, shining star. Okay, shining. This is present participle क्योंकि shining is giving information about that star. Last one, serve the cooked food. Cooked actually looks like a verb, but in a sentence it performs action as an adjective. So cooked is past participle. Okay, so keep in mind one thing, participles दिखते verb की तरह है but sentence में adjective की तरह action perform करते हैं. Okay, and most of the time जो adjective होता है वो along with article आता है most of the time. See, a laughing man, a article a suffering man, a article, a sleeping man, article a closed door, a article, then the cooked food. So most of the time articles के बाद you will find participles. Okay, so present participle ing form में आता है, past participle ed, d, t, en और n means any past form में आता है कि जो दिखते verb की तरह है but action perform adjective की तरह है. So this is about participle. Now let's move towards the last non-finite verb, that is gerund. Okay, so gerund actually it's look like a verb but again it perform action as a noun. दिखता verb की तरह है but sentence में noun की तरह perform करता है. And all the gerunds end with ing, मतलब कोई भी जो verb जो ing फॉर्म में आ रहा है उसकी चांसेस होते हैं gerund होने के. Okay, so now you will just think कि present participle भी ing फॉर्म में आता है और gerund भी ing फॉर्म में आता है, तो कैसे differentiate करें? Here is the answer. Actually gerund noun की तरह perform करता है and present participle जो है वो adjective की तरह perform करता है. Let's have some examples. Lee likes playing rugby. Okay, so here playing, this is what? This is gerund. Cause playing, this is what? This is the name of activity which Lee likes. So that's why this is become gerund. ये दिख रहा है verb की तरह but इस sentence में ये noun की तरह action perform कर रहा है. Next one, visiting New York is always an amazing experience. Visiting ing form में है. Actually it looks like a verb but this is what? This is the thing. ये है कि जो एक amazing experience है. Okay, it's the name of that thing which is amazing experience. So that's why visiting is gerund. Next one is I love visiting New York. Again visiting looks like a verb but here in this sentence this is what? This is the name of the thing which I love. Okay, so that's why ये noun बन गया इधर इस sentence में. Now he likes running. Okay, here in this sentence running दिखता verb की तरह है but here in this sentence ये noun की तरह perform कर रहा है. Running, name of a thing which he likes. And last one is swimming is the best exercise. Normally swimming verb है but इस sentence में swimming is a noun. It is one of the best exercise. So it's a noun. That's why swimming is non-finite verb और उसका type है gerund. Okay, so this is all about non-finite verb. We will just revise it again. There are three types of non-finite verb. First one is infinitive जो कि to plus V1 फॉर्म में आता है. Next one is participle. Participle, there are two types of participle, present participle and past participle. Participle, it looks like a verb but in a sentence it performs action as an adjective. Present participle always comes in a form of ing and past participle past form में आता है, ed, ent इस form में. And the last one is gerund. Gerund actually it's look like a verb, but in a sentence it perform action as a noun and it always comes in a form of ing. Okay, so I hope now the idea of non-finite verb is clear to all of you. If you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and please keep blessings. Thank you so much.